Welcome back. In this section, we're going to talk about functions in Kotlin. In Kotlin, functions are blocks of code that encapsulate a specific task or functionality. Functions are a fundamental building block of any Kotlin program, and they allow you to organize your code into reusable and modular components. You can create functions to perform various tasks, and you can define functions with parameters and return values. To declare a function in Kotlin, you use the fun keyword followed by the function name, a list of parameters enclosed in parentheses, a colon, and the return type. So this is the general syntax of the function. Again, to create a function, we declare a fun keyword followed by the function name, a list of parameters. We have two parameters, and you specify the type of these parameters, a colon, and the return type. If the function returns a value, of course. If a function doesn't return anything, you can specify the return type as unit, which is similar to void in Java and other programming languages. Then you specify the function body, perform some operations, and optionally return a value. So this is the general syntax of creating a function. Let me create a real function following this syntax. Starting by fun, say hello, and here I'll use one parameter of type string. You can see parameter 1 is name, type is a string, and this function will not return anything, so it's void or unit. And you can remove this unit, and you don't specify any return type, so Kotlin will not return anything when calling this function. Then I need to print ln. Here I am adding function body and performing some operation, and this operation is printing hello, and I'm going to use this parameter. You can specify 0 or more parameters within the parentheses. Each parameter consists of name and type. Parameters allow you to pass values into the function for processing. The function body contains the code that defines the functionality of the function. You can perform operations, calculations, and other tasks within the function body. To use a function, you simply call it by its name and provide required arguments, if any. If the function returns a value, you can assign it to a variable or use it in an expression. For example, I need to cut this, and outside the main function, and you can see this is a function called main, and we talked about it. I need to call this function inside the main function. So for that, I need to specify the name of the function, say hello, and here I need to pass an argument. Here it's called parameter when defining a variable. Here, when you pass the value of this parameter, it's called argument. Say hello, I need to pass Jack. Jack is a string, and you can see I'm matching the type of the parameter with the passed argument. If I specify 1 to 4, it's an integer, and the required type is a string, so there is an error. I need to specify a string. Here, I need to pass Jack. Let me disable hints. Run the program. And here we go. Hello, Jack. I'm passing Jack to here and replacing this name by Jack, and then get use of this parameter, Jack, and printing it to the console. Okay, this is how we create functions, how to call functions, how to pass arguments to the parameters in the function. Also, you can provide default values for function parameters, allowing you to call function without specifying all arguments if their values are not required. For example, here I need to pass age, which is of type string, equals to not specified. If the user didn't specify any argument here, like for example 30 enclosed in double quotation because it's of type string, the value would be not specified. But if the user specified 30 when calling this function, it will be assigned to this parameter. Let me show you. If I run the program, hello Jack, your age is 30. If I remove 30, and by the way, you don't have any error because here I specified the default argument for this function. Let me run again. Hello Jack, your age is not specified. So if I don't specify any value here for the second parameter, the not specified, which is the default argument, will get its value as not specified.